Good evening viewers, this is Ali from Prayash Fashions and today I'll be going to show you some exclusive bullion knot stitch with Parsi work and Gujarati or Kutch work on Gachi by Gachi tussar. These are all pure tussar and silk mark certified. So before I start, I will request my viewers to please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon also, so whenever you upload the videos you will get the notification. We have a Facebook page in the same name, Prayash Fashions. You can follow our page and you can have a live videos over there. So booking procedure is very simple. You just have to take the screenshot of the sari and send it to the WhatsApp number is given on the screen. It's 8296897264. So let's display the sari. So this is the sari number 1. As you can see, it's a Parsi work with the bullion knot stitch. I'll show you the detailing of this work. So this is we call bullion knot stitch and these are done by all hand. These are all hand. I'll show you the back side. So these are all done by hand. So this is a skirt part design and all over the body you can see the booty. So these are the booty. It's all over same. And the pink color base, just see the pallu. It has got a tissue pallu, not zari. So this is a pallu of the sari and this is the all over look. I'll just show when you drape. So this is the look of the sari and this is the palla, and the blouse is fully worked. I'll show you the blouse. It's fully hand, sleeves, back, for sleeves and back full work is there. This is the blouse of the sari. It's a full 1 meter blouse. It's amazing color combination. This is the amazing color combination. So this is the sari number 2. It's a mehendi green color and it's all has these are all gachi tussar and the same design in different combination. Just have a look. These are all bullion knot. It takes so much time. I'll just show you the back side. These are all hand. These are done by hand. There is no machine. It takes so much time. And just see the pallu. This is the pallu of the sari with tissue pallu. This is the tissue, not zari. Tissue pallu, and this is the work. It's amazing sari. It's a mehendi green. The color is so nice. This is a very nice color. I'll just show how it will look. And these are all silk mark certified and pure gachi tussar. This is a pure gachi tussar. Just have a look. This is the look of the sari and just see the work. So this is the Parsi with bullion knot stitch. And this is the palla and the blouse is all over work, sleeves, back, and for sleeves and back. So this is the sari number 3 and it's a base color is a silverish grey. It's not grey, it's a silverish grey and it's a all over body. There is a block print. It's a hand block discharge print. Then we have done a Kutch work. This is a Kutch work. It's come on the pallu and both side border. So this is the both side border and pallu. So it's a very unique sari, I will say, because of the color. It's a silverish green. Normally we don't see this kind of colors. So especially we dye this kind of color, then we do print and work. So this is the all over look of the sari. Just see the pallu. And the material is so good. It's all gachi by gachi and there is a cord piping. So we have done a cord piping also. I'll just show how it will look when it's draped. So please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So whenever we upload the videos, you will get the notification. COD facilities available only in Kolkata. For other states, you have to do bank transfer. So this is the all over look of the sari. And for blouse, we have given a sleeve print and work is also there. So this is the blouse of the sari, 1 meter blouse. So this is the sari number 4 and again the same gachi tussar. All over body is a block printed. It's a black all over black all over printed and just see the border and pallu. It's this time we have given a multicolor, so it's a very striking. It's looking very striking. It's very uncommon, both side, and just see the palla. It's a very unique sari, I will say, because the border is, it's a highlight of the sari, border and palla. I'll just show how it will look when you drape, and cord piping is also done. So please don't forget to subscribe our channel, and if you are liking the saris, please don't forget to share also. We need your support, and please do share so we can reach out more people. So this is the look of the sari, and see the palla. So this is the look of the sari, and just see the blouse. This is a 1 meter blouse, and sleeves is also there. This is the blouse of the sari. So this is the sari number 5. Again a gachi tussar. It's a virgin color tussar. It's a gachi, and this is a full Parsi with bullion knot. So what is the difference between Parsi and bullion knot? You can see this stitch we call it bullion knot, and this work is a Parsi work. So this is the all over. I'll just show you the back side of. So this is the back side, and so all over palla. This is the palla of the sari, and both side border with the cord piping also done, and all over the body there is a buta. So this is the all over look. Just see the palla, and I'll just show how it will look when you drape. All silk mark certified and best quality tussar we always use. So this is the all over look of the sari, and sapallu. It's amazing sari. It takes so much time to make, and karigars who does this kind of work. So in this pandemic time, we are helping them as much as we can. So we request to our viewers and customers to buy more handloom products, so directly or indirectly you are helping to them. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the all over look of the sari. And blouse, this is the blouse of the sari. Just see the blouse. This is the blouse of the sari. So the sari number 6, last sari of this episode. So it's a fully bullion knot. There is no Parsi words. It's all bullion knot. I'll show you the detailing of this. These are all full bullion knot with mirror work. There is a mirror work all over the body, and all over the body there is a buta also. So this is the border, and just see the palla. So this is the stripe line panel design on pallu. This is the all over look. It's an amazing sari. These are all exclusive ones, and it takes so much time to make, and the work is so hard. Our karigars, so they do this kind of work. It's very, I will say, hats off to them. It's a very intricate. I'll just show you the detailing of the back side. So these are all done by hand. So this is the palla of the sari, and I'll just show the. So this is the all over look, and palla, and the is a 1 meter blouse. So thank you so much for watching. It's a request to my viewers, if you truly like our collections, please do share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon, so whenever we upload the videos you will get the notification. Thank you so much.